Here's how to highlight the top 3 numbers in a single column. We can see here that we have some scores, and these are the 3 highest numbers. Our custom formula is over here, but let's start from the beginning. We're going to highlight the column that we want to highlight in, go up to Format, go to Conditional Formatting, and over on the right side you'll see Conditional Format Rules. Our range right now is the B column. We may change that later, up to you if you want to. Format rules, and we're going to change this format rule to custom formula is. We're going to start with equal sign, and we're in the B column, so we want to say equals B1 is greater than large, and this is a formula that has 2 things inside of the parentheses, the range and a number. The range is going to be B colon B, comma, and then if you want the top number, 1. If you want top 2, 2. Top 3, 3. One thing we need to change is this greater than needs to be greater than or equal to. And if you notice on the left side, actually let's change this to that purple so we can really see it. The score, the word score is highlighted. So what I like to do is actually go up to the range and type in B2 colon B. We do need to change our formula to be B2 is greater than or equal to large, B colon B 3. And now we get the correct answer. However, one extra thing we can do is let's change the range so that we highlight the whole row. If you want to do A colon H, and actually again A2 colon H, you'll notice it's only highlighting the A column because we're telling it to look in the B column. And what's actually happening under the hood is that this isn't staying B. In the A column, it's looking at B. In the B column, it's looking at C. In the C column, it's looking at D. It's looking at the cell to the right. So in order to stop that and say, hey, only look at B, like slap its hand and say, only B, put a $ in front of the B and also in front of the B colon B. And now you see the entire row, or actually all across the range. So it stops at H over here. If you want to continue on, just do Z or wherever your range is going. Actually, it's only going to Y here. Or you only want to do A2 colon B, and it's only going to do A and B column, but it's always going to look at that B column for should it be highlighting or not. Hopefully this was really fun for you and really interesting to see this conditional formatting to highlight the top 3 numbers in a column. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.